Good day, Your Honor. I'm presenting my findings, the question document. Upon examination, I observed several areas of interest. First, there are three dots of ellipse used at the end of the sum sentence. This may indicate poses hesitation or attempt by the writer to show emotion. Second phrase, so much is underlined and repeated. The letter O shows strong emphasis on the word. The third word, everything is also underlined and followed by multiple exclamation marks which suggests strong emotion or emphasized by the writer. These markings, ellipses, and underline repeated letters and multiply exclamation marks indicate that the writer was emphasizing certain feelings or ideas in the document. Thank you.